Hello, hello! Welcome back to art, you guys. I hope you all had an awesome Thanksgiving. We are going to be continuing our self-portraits that we started 2 weeks ago today. So you're going to need your paper. Hopefully you held on to that. Okay? I had a few different examples that I will show you guys. And then a pencil just in case you need to add anything or maybe erase something. And some crayons. Let's get started. Alright, so I have my portraits. This is the one that I finished the most. I have my little drawing where I was practicing eyes, nose, different mouths. So if you have yours complete, like this is the point that we got to 2 weeks ago, you're going to want to get out some crayons. And we're going to talk about skin tones and our eyes and stuff like that. So you'll notice I do not have any eyebrows. I could draw those in with a crayon, right? But I'm going to start with my skin first. So there are a few different colors you can use here, depending on your skin type. Some people have a little bit of like pinkish color to their skin. So we might even want to mix colors here. So this color right here is called apricot, and this is probably closest to my skin color, but I also have freckles, so I might add some little brown dots on my paper as well, on my cheeks. Or if your skin is a little bit darker, like maybe a tan color or darker, you can use the two together. You can use just brown. You can use brown and black together. You can add a little pink in certain spots. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this color all over my face because this is closest to my skin color. So you want to use whatever colors are closest to your skin color. And remember, you can still use your mirror or whatever you used last week to look at yourself to help you draw and make your features as close to what you look like as possible. Now you could also add maybe a little bit of like a yellowish tint depending on your skin color too. So there's different colors, and if you blend them together like I did the skin color and a little bit of pink, I could do all three of these a little bit. Maybe my nose is a little bit more tan or something than the rest, or darker. Maybe you have birthmarks or freckles or a mole that you want to use a darker color for too. Okay. All right, now I might want to go back and erase. Just a little bit. And maybe I'll just use like, actually my eyes are blue. So that's another thing. You're gonna wanna look at your eye color and try to match it as best as you can. And you might even wanna mix. Mix two colors to get your eye color. I'm leaving that little circle there because a lot of times you'll see a little circular like dot of white like as a reflection. So that's why I'm leaving that there. This color here, I could use black or I could use brown for this part. And then I'm going to add some eyelashes. And I'm going to even add some eyebrows. Now, as far as your mouth goes, you can use some different reds, a purplish color. You can use brown. So kind of, again, looking at your mouth and seeing what color it is. Everybody's lips are a different color. So you want to look at your mirror or whatever you're using and kind of, and again, you can mix colors. Maybe there's not the exact color that you're thinking in your box of crayons, so you can mix two colors to make a color. Mixing all kinds of colors. All right. Now, and again, I can go back and erase the pencil line for my nose if I want to, and I can go back and add that with, make it darker with, I could do brown, or I can just use that tan color and make it darker. Just like that. Okay, and then you might want to add like a little line, like almost like a backwards question mark, and then a regular question mark here for your ear, just because there is, like, you know, it just helps to show more detail. I'm gonna make my earrings, let's see, what color am I gonna make them? I'm gonna make my earrings green because I love the color green. And then of course my neck is going to be the same color as my skin. in my face, so I can do that. And then, let's see here. My shirt is gonna be blue. Blue and green are my two favorite colors. So I'm actually gonna draw like a neckline here for my shirt. There we go. Color my shirt. And maybe you have a word on your shirt or a picture. You can make your shirt polka dot, stripes, whatever you'd like. Now, my hair, I started adding a little bit of red. I could also add, my hair is like reddish, brownish. There's a few different colors in my hair. So I'm just going to do a variety of different colors. So if your hair is blonde, you might want to use like yellow and brown. You could use that color. Maybe your hair is black. Maybe your hair, to make it look more realistic, that's why I'm adding all these other colors, because usually people's hair, well, sometimes it's all one color, but a lot of times to make it look more realistic, you might want to add other colors in there to show like highlights or shadows or the light reflecting off of your hair. So I'm going to do reds and browns, a little bit of orange. And my hair is curly, so I'm kind of adding these little waves or swirls. Maybe your hair is straight, maybe it's shorter. So again, you want to be looking at yourself in the mirror or your camera or whatever you're using and trying to make all your features look exactly like you as much as possible. And you might want to make some pieces darker, like push down harder with your crayon. It's another way you can get a variety of shades and colors. Alright, so now I'm going to finish coloring in my shirt. Maybe I want my shirt to say artist on it, or there's a lot of shirts out there that have different words on them. Maybe it's a Nike shirt, or a shirt that says be brave, or be kind, or maybe your shirt has, maybe it's sparkly or has polka dots or stripes, or an animal on there. Maybe it's got a dinosaur. So you can make your shirt however you would like. There we go. Create. All right. That's it. I will say in years past, I have had students create like a textured background. So any white space in the background, we would use different things to create like a texture and color over it. I do not have much space, white space in the back, but if you do, you can take something. There's a lot of different things. I have these laying on my table, so I'm just going to take these to show you what I'm talking about. And right here I have some white space on my paper, so I might hold those down there, and let's see, I'm going to pick, I'll pick this, no, let's see, I'll pick this red-violet color. And if I color over them, you can see that there's like a texture in the background. You guys see that? And you guys can do that with yours. You can find, there's a ton of different things you can use. You can use bubble wrap, you can use Legos, you can use really anything you can find that you could put underneath your paper. You just have to be careful like that it holds down and stays in one place. Okay? And my dogs are going crazy barking. Somebody must be here. All right. So I would then do this in any white space there is in the background. Okay? Kind of like that. Oops. See, they're starting to move around. You guys get it though. Okay? Or you could color it a solid color, but make sure it's a different color than like your hair, otherwise it'll all blend in. So I probably should have used like maybe green or something to match with my earrings, or something that would contrast with my hair. But it works, it's good. There's a little spot right here. All right. So when you're finished, make sure you snap a picture. Maybe you want to hold it up next to you and take a picture, but submit it, and I cannot wait to see all these. Have a great day, guys.